Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been so long since I've filmed in general, since having the baby and all that jazz, and I don't know why, I've just been so distracted and I've been kind of scared actually of getting back in and filming my videos for my blog channel and everything, so I don't know. But here I am. It's my 2018 resolution is to film more for you guys, share more of my daily life with you and what I do and tips and tricks and lifestyle stuff and baby and mom stuff. And so that's what I'm doing. So today I wanted to share with you like a 10-minute mommy makeup situation. Obviously you don't have to be a mom for this to apply to you. I'm gonna walk you guys through what I do, but hopefully you will also just get snappy at doing this routine and just have a full face of makeup in 10 minutes to go out, to look your best, to look alive, like you've had lots of sleep in the last year. First up, I'm gonna use the Smashbox Photofinish Primerizer, which is a primer and moisturizer in one. I also have a mirror down here, by the way. I'm not used to doing it like this. I usually do it in front of the mirror in the bathroom. Okay, make sure that's nice and patted on your face. Next thing I do is grab my foundation, which I always do this. This is not, don't do this to your foundation. Okay, it's a squiggly one, but I always forget that it's unscrewy. And I'm gonna put the products I'm using in the description box below. Okay, so right now I'm going in with the Beauty Blender and I am just blending. You see, this is why I don't hold mirrors, because I'm like, like every time I pat, I shake at the same time. That is not enough. And we are just going to pat, bounce, lightly, gently pat around the face to make ourselves look alive after months of no sleep. Possibly years. Great foundation, actually. I found this from watching Tati. Do you know Tati? Tati's channel. She's a wonderful makeup guru, and she's pretty much the only one that I watch. Don't forget this area. Don't forget it. And the ears. Sometimes I do the ears. Awesome. Okay, next, this is the Smashbox Studio Skin Shaping Foundation, and one side is a foundation and the other side is a contour. So, I'm gonna grab the contour side and I'm going to just dab my Beauty Blender in there and quickly contour. Just over here. Remember, this is quick, so just don't go crazy. It's meant to just be 10 mini minutes. Next, I'm quickly just gonna use some Fresco Rose Paint Pot by MAC. This is just going to go on the eyelids so that I, could just give a little color, because I don't have time for eyeshadow usually. Or sometimes I'll just set it with an eyeshadow. I'll put just like a color over. So when I don't have time, I just want something long wearing and it's gonna last me through the day. Right, eyeliner. Okay, I don't like eyeliner. We're gonna get to concealer, guys, but first I'm gonna eyeline. Smashbox Pigment Gel Eyeliner. This is in Jet Black. I am the worst at eyeliner, but we're just gonna go. What is my baby doing? What is she doing? She is straight up just playing in bed. I don't ever do this with one hand. Okay, I'm just gonna do it in this mirror. There's one. Good Lord, okay. We're gonna keep going, we're gonna power through it. Look down into it. What did I do? I'm being so messy. And this eye. I'm not bad with like freehanding. I literally have never tried it this way. It's kind of scary. This one's a mess. Okay, I think I did it. Do you guys hear Zoe? I'm going to put on this yummy fresh sugar lip balm. It is lip caramel and it's so good. I get such dry lips. It's probably because I don't drink any water. I'm so bad. Is anyone else terrible at drinking water? Because I'm just the worst. You guys would be shocked. Anyway, New Year's resolution number 50,000. Next we have Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer in the shade L15 Neutral. There you go. do I need? Maybe like up here a little. And blend time. Then we're gonna set the under eye and do the lower lash line. We're looking okay, we're looking more alive. Now we're gonna set the under eye with Yves Saint Laurent Poudre sur Mesure, which, you know, it just means semi-loose powder in Natural Radiance. I've had this for way too many years. Like, I probably should have thrown this away many moons ago, but honestly, I just didn't know what it was for when I bought it, like way back when. I actually use this little fluffy brush that came with it. Really helpful to get in these little like spaces. So I do use that to just set the concealer. I'm gonna set the rest of the face quickly later, so I'm not gonna put that away. Shoot, this table's so little. Okay, so for eyeliner under the eye here, I usually go for either MAC in Powersurge, or I go with Smashbox Always On Gel Liner in Brewed. One of these two will do the trick. I always line outside my waterline because I think that lining in my waterline makes my eyes look smaller. But that's just my impression. You know what? I'm feeling adventurous. I'm gonna mix them. There's no right or wrong way to any of this. We're just playing and having fun. So you guys do your thing. I'm just showing you what works for me and what my like 10-minute makeup routine looks like. For blush, we're doing NARS Orgasm and the Smashbox Angled Blush Brush. I like to dab on my blush like this in little flicks. Zoe! Why is Zoe crying? She can hear me talking, that's what it is. She's like fussing, you know? You know how they do that? Or not, if you don't have kids. Okay, so there we go. Pretty much it. It's pretty light. I'm gonna buff it all out. What do I do? Do I go in? Do I not go in? I have to go in. Okay, give me a second. And we're back. She's just falling asleep and I don't want her to wake up because she hears Mama's voice and she's like, Mommy! Okay, where were we? I lost my train of thought. Blush. Okay, so we've blushed, we've contoured, we've got all the face, we've done everything on the eyes. So the finishing touches are highlighter, mascara, and what's that called? Setting spray. That. Okay. For highlighter, we're going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glowkit in Sun Dipped and the Smashbox Precise highlighting brush. We're gonna dip into Moonstone. Oh hey girl, what's up? That's bright. Whew. Okay, let's not go too crazy. So there we go, little highlight there. Do you see that? Okay, I just highlight a little bit of the bridge and a little on the nose. Cupid's bow. Don't forget to brush through these brows because honestly, you guys would be so surprised how brows make a whole face just come together. So you'd be like, oh my God, you've slept for like 10 years. Always have brows that are well brushed. Eyelashes, I'm using Too Faced Better Than Sex. Okay, my face is on. We're gonna grab the YSL once more. I'm gonna dip in this big fluffy Smashbox brush, which is the sheer powder. You know what, they write this really dark. It's a red brush with black writing. I really can't read it. It's like, write it in white. Go baby, go, go. We're right behind you. Don't forget to use a setting spray. This is the Smashbox Photofinish Primer Water. Hold it. What the hell's happening here? Okay. Hold it, spritz it, be fabulous, glamorous. Last but not least, lips. I already have lip balm on my lips, so sometimes I just walk out the door like that. This is the Smashbox Dirty Matte. It's like a nice color, especially for winter. This is so buttery, I love this formula. And that's it. You are ready. Okay, obviously I look like a cave person with all this mane of hair that it's just got no shape at all, but usually I would grab it and I would have a hair tie usually. My go-to like mom style is a bun on top of the head. So you just grab, twist, do your thing, invent, do what works. Okay, can you see that? There. Okay, obviously I only have this like stupid little clip right here, but I would usually tie that in with a hair tie. So there you go. This would be my go-to look. And that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel once again. Hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed this video, if you found it helpful. I would really appreciate that. Leave me a comment down below with any video ideas that you want to see, whether it's tips or tricks or makeup or mommy stuff or what I do with Zoe. Thank you for coming by my channel. I will see you guys next time. Bye!